Hello, good morning. Today we'll go through fourth lesson of our book, and the name of the lesson is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In this story, we'll talk about one Bipin Chaudhary who has lost his memory. Though he is not completely lost, a part of his memory is lapsed, has gone. Do you have a good memory? Do you have a good power to remember things? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? You will study in this if your memory has ever lapsed. Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. See, when we forget things, there are occasions that we are in a great trouble. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy, mad. But suppose you have forgotten, you have not remembered a part of your life completely, fully, it can make you crazy, make you mad. In this story, in this lesson, the story we are going to read, Bipin Babu, this one person, Bipin Babu, goes nearly crazy, goes almost mad because he cannot recollect, because he cannot remember his stay at Ranchi. If he stayed at Ranchi, Ranchi is the name of a place. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. He insists on this fact. He continuously said that he has never visited Ranchi, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. But there are many people who say, we have seen Bipin Chandra in Ranchi. So what is the suspense all about? What is the mystery all about? Let us read. Every Monday, on his way back from work, every Monday while coming back from his work, his office, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books. Every Monday while coming back from his office, Bipin Chaudhary would stop in at Kalicharan's New Market, at Kalicharan's shop, which is at the New Market, to buy books. He was fond of books and he used to buy books there. Crime stories, stories related to crimes, ghost stories, stories related to supernatural powers, and thrillers, and many other stories which has thrills. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. And at one time, he used to buy at least 5 books so that for the whole week he could read them. He lived alone. No one lived with him. Was not a good mixture. He did not mix up with other people in the society. Had very few friends. Had least friends, not many friends. I did not like spending time in idle chat. And he was such a person that he did not to spend his time in useless talks. Today, at Kalicharan's, today while coming back from his work at Kalicharan's shop, Bipin Babu had the feeling, he had the idea that someone was observing him from close quarters. He has the feeling, he has that idea that someone was watching his activities from somewhere nearby. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced meek looking man who now broke into a smile. When he turned back, what did he see? That a person was looking at him. His face was round faced man, meek, a humble looking man, who now broke into a smile. As soon as Bipin Babu turned towards him, the man with the meek round face was smiling. I don't suppose you recognize me. As soon as Bipin Babu turned to him, the man said, I don't think you recognize me, who I am. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu asked, have we ever met before this? Have we met earlier? The man looked greatly surprised. The man looked very surprised. This man who was watching Bipin Babu was very much surprised, very much wondered at his denying him meeting before. We met every day for a whole week. That man said, for a whole week, whole 7 days, all 7 days, we met every day. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudro Falls. I am that person who arranged for a car for you to take you to the Hudro Falls. Hudro Falls is the name of a place, a tourist place. The man said, I am that person who spent the whole week with you, and I am the person who arranged for the your visit to Hudro Falls. In 1958, in Ranchi, and my name is Parimal Ghosh. The person said, in 1958, we met for the whole week daily. I arranged your visit to the Hudro Falls, and we met in Ranchi, and my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi? Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. At this, Bipin Babu realized that this man was making a mistake in recognizing him. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu said, or he knew that he had never visited Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. Though he had planned many times to visit Ranchi, but he was never successful in visiting Ranchi. He smiled and said, Bipin Babu smiled and said, do you know who I am? Bipin Babu asked, do you recognize who I am? The man raised his eyebrows. Now the man was more surprised. He raised his eyebrows up, bit his tongue, and said, he bit his tongue a little bit, or he just folded his tongue and said, do I know you? Who does not know Bipin Chaudhary? He said, not only I, everyone knows that you are Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, Bipin Babu focused towards the bookshelves at the shop, at the Kalicharan shop, and said, still you are making a mistake. Bipin Babu said, you are making a mistake. You are wrong. One often does. And he said, yes, many people make mistakes. I have never been to Ranchi. He said, I have never visited Ranchi. The man now laughed aloud. The man started laughing loudly. He did not believe what Bipin Babu was saying. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudro and cut your right knee. He said, what are you saying, that you have never been to Ranchi? I remember very well that you had fallen there in Hudru and you cut your right knee there. You had a cut, you had a wound there at your right knee. Knee, I think you know. So knee is the part of our leg, the middle part of our leg. I brought you iodine, and as you have wounded your knee there, I brought iodine to heal your wound. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Nitrahat the next day. Not only this, I brought medicine for you. I had also fixed up a car for you to take you to the Nitarhat, the name of the place. But you could not because of the pain in the knee. But you could not go to that place because you had pain, you had wounded your knee. Can't you recall anything? Can't you remember anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. And he said that there is someone else also who is known to you in Ranchi at that time. At that time, one of your recognizance, one of the person whom you recognize also lived, one of your acquaintance lived there in Ranchi. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee was that person whom you know. You stayed in a bungalow. I remember very well that there you stayed in a bungalow. You said you did not like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Not only this, I remember very well that you did not stay in a hotel. You stayed in a house, a bungalow there, and you said you don't like food made up by hotel. So I want a cook to cook my food. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. I also remember that person whom you know, Mr. Mukherjee, he was staying there with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? And at his house, remember, we had a big discussion, a big argument, hot discussion about the moon landing, about the moon and its movements. I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. And one more thing I tell you about this trip, that whenever you went for your sightseeing trips to visit the different places in Ranchi, you always carried your bag with your books. Am I right or not? This person said, tell me if I am telling the truth. Bipin Babu spoke quietly, very silently, he said. His eyes still on the books. He was still looking at the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? He said. Which month of 1958 are you talking about? When I visited Ranchi. The man said it's October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. Bipin Sahib said, no, sir. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. In 1958, at puja times, Durga Puja times, I was there with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. He completely denied the fact that he has visited Ranchi. He said, you are making a mistake. You are not correct. You are misunderstood. So, have a good day. Bye. But the man did not go. The man did not go, nor did he stop talking. Nor did he stop talking about his trip to Ranchi. Very strange. He said, it's a strange. I can't believe this. One evening, I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. The man said, even I remember that I had a tea sitting with you in your bungalow. You spoke about your family, that you also talked about your family. You said you had no children. You also told me at that day that you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. You also told that you have lost your wife 10 years back. Your only brother had died in sin. You also told me that you had only brother who also died because he was mad, which is why you did not want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. And you told that is the reason that you did not want to visit the hospital treating the insane people. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. But Bipin Babu did not remember that visit. He had paid for the books and was leaving the shop. The man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. The man was still not ready to believe him, because he very well knew that he knew Bipin Babu and he had seen him in Ranchi.